One question that's frequently comes up early on in the divorce from my clients, when this happens to be the case, is they'll say, well, my spouse cheated on me. He or she had an extramarital affair with someone. And what they're really asking me is that in any way going to benefit my case? Is that going to help me ultimately in this divorce? And the general rule of thumb, generally speaking, is no, it won't. It's not going to be of any real tangible benefit to you. For most judges, in general, and under the law in New Jersey, whether or not your spouse was having an extramarital affair is not relevant to a determination of the issues in your case. Now, there can be some exceptions to that. The one that comes maybe mostly to mind would be an example where your spouse, while engaged in the extramarital affair, was spending marital funds. If they were taking lavish vacations, or if your spouse was making expensive purchases for his or her paramour and depleting the marital funds that belong to both of you, then certainly that could provide the basis for what's called an equitable claim, one that's based on what's fair and reasonable, a request to the judge for reimbursement of those funds, or some type of a credit as part of what's called equitable distribution in your divorce.